Looking for the hamster. Looking for the hamster.
Down there.
Yeah, down there. Now, anyway, do not care about the hamster anymore. Tell me, what is the ramp used for?
The hand used to
No, I mean the ramp. The ramp.
the rat. Wait, is the ramp?
What's the ramp? The ramp has two ends, right? The low, one low end and one high end. So the ramp is used for what?
The ramp is used for drive.
For driving, or for what? You don't think so? So what is the ramp used for?
The ramp used for
Rồi, mặt phẳng nghiêng được dùng để giúp chúng ta di chuyển từ nơi thấp lên nơi cao dễ dàng. Quickly go.
the ramp used to walk on the top to the bottom.
From the top to the bottom. You think so? Now speak up my idea. Mặt phẳng nghiêng được ứng dụng để giúp chúng ta di chuyển từ nơi thấp lên nơi cao dễ dàng hơn. The ramp is used for?
The ramp is used for what?
No, for helping us
For helping us
move
move
from the low place
from the low place
to a
the-
higher place
to a higher place
easily.
easily.
Can you speak up one more time?
Okay.
The ramp is used for
The ramp is used for
helping us
helping us
move
move
from a low place
from a low place to higher place
easily.
easily.